This is Signal Hound's Talkin' RF, and today we're talking how to automate your Signal Hound devices using SCPI commands within our free Spike software.
This is Signal Hound's Talkin' RF. Sean here, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to automate your Signal Hound devices using SCPI commands within our free Spike software. SCPI, or Standard Commands for Programmable Instruments, provides a universal language for controlling measurement instrument functions programmatically. By using SCPI commands with Spike, you can easily automate spectrum scans, set measurement parameters, retrieve data, and execute repetitive testing routines, all without manual interaction. This is particularly useful for our customers looking to automate factory validation testing. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to connect your Signal Hound device to Spike, send SCPI commands to configure measurements, and automate data collection.
So let's dive into the SCPI example now. Start by going to signalhound.com/software/signal-hound-software-development-kit-SDK/. Scroll to the bottom of the page where we have our download link. Download the Signal Hound Software Development Kit. Once fully downloaded, you're going to want to extract it. As you can see, at the top level is your SCPI, Device API, and SHR parser. Since we're doing the SCPI example, go to SCPI. For this demo, we're using the SM200C. In Spike, you have version notes and the programming manual. This contains all the SCPI commands for Spike, and all SCPI commands run through Spike. To run a SCPI example, Spike must be running. Now go to Examples, then Python. In here, there's a SCPI sweep example. You're going to want to review the README, which talks about prerequisites. Python 3 is required. 5 Visa, along with its dependencies, must be installed. Spike must be running for the SCPI commands to work, and is the interpreter of those commands. Now right-click on the example, open it with Visual Studio Code, and run the debugger. Next, we need to download the Visa examples. As you can see, there's pretty much no signal, and the peak amplitude is 108 dBm.
That was a walkthrough on automating Signal Hound devices with SCPI commands in Spike. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@signalhound.com or leave your question in the comment section below. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Signal Hound and RF content.